Now we move on to Android basics and we continue our look through the settings category. We finished up network and internet now, which incidentally, I'm pleased to see under Android 13 restored names like Wi Fi after it. So you now know where Wi Fi is. But anyway, we're now moving on to connected devices. Warren, do you want to give us a sneaky peeky as to what's in here before we hand over to Fee, who's done various demos?
Fee has done a tremendous job with our demos, and absolutely, there's not much left to be done. But we're talking about connectivity here. We're talking about things like pairing your Bluetooth, or Chromecasting something, or mirror casting your screen to something else, and things like that. So here is where you go in and pair your peripheral. So whether it's a headset, keyboard, whatever it is that you want to pair to your phone. And there's some that you could use NFC and stuff like that. That's the one that is used when you go to do payment methods at the stores, contactless payment methods, and things like that. So in here we have the Bluetooth connectivity, we have the NFC connectivity, and all of that. So if you have a device that has NFC, you could use that. But a lot of us have the Bluetooth, and I've always said my Bluetooth connectivity, especially when it comes to keyboards, I don't like those that require you to enter code to pair. And Logitech is guilty about this. I'm just putting that out there. I have a couple of those, and I tell you, every time that I reset or whatever, and I have to pair it again, it's it works for me. But just imagine someone who doesn't have that dexterity to go find the code and then go back and type that on their keyboard, or it can remember what those 6 digits are. It could be a challenge. So for me, I like the ones that simply say pair. You tap on that, you're good to go.
Yeah, moral of the story, if you are trying to pair a Logitech keyboard, probably don't get smashed before you do it because you'll forget that 6-digit code. Fee, you've done lots and lots of demos in this category, I think. So I'm going to hand over to you now to take us through your playlist.
Thank you. Well, I've done three. So the first one is of a lovely Bluetooth keyboard that costs £30 here in the UK. I'm not sure what that is in dollars, but it's not too bad. And this keyboard will pair with up to 3 devices, and you don't have to enter one of those annoying PIN codes. It just pairs. It's wonderful. So here's a little demo of me pairing it and then using it with one phone and then swapping to use it with a phone I had already paired with, just to prove it works.